Hello there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraarti and this is going to be a hair tutorial of how I created and styled this hair. So let's get right into it. So first we'll be needing a hair and we'll be using this Bohemian coils which I got from All Things Savvy on Instagram. I'll be leaving their handle or their link down below. So this comes in different inches. I'll be using the 16 inches for today and we'll be using two packs. Also be needing a crochet needle and wig T-pins and also a wig cap. Guys, I would advise you use the wig cap that looks like fishnet because that one will be easy. This one was quite tedious for me to use. Then using the wig T-pins to secure the wig cap onto the head of my dummy. So now let's start crocheting. Did I just say crocheting? Is that even a word? But I guess you guys understand what I mean. So let's get right into the wig making. As you guys can see, you see it was quite tedious, or I don't want to use the word difficult for me to pull it out because this wig cap has tiny holes in it. So for the crochet needle to come out, you can have to pull like with a stronger force than if you were just using the fishnet, which is way more easier. But yeah, I still went with it and I conquered it. As you can see, at this point I'm going to have to fast forward the video a little bit because I got to realize that I didn't show a detailed way on how to crochet your hair. I realized that this is my first time actually crocheting a hair and I didn't show you guys a detailed way on how to do it. So this part is just I'm trying to crochet just round the hair before I start getting into the middle. So yeah, I'll be fast forwarding this part a little bit, so please bear with me and I'll be showing you a detailed way on how to crochet your hair to make it look fabulous. And again, this wig cap, I would not recommend it for any kind of crochet hair you want to do. The fishnet wig cap is the best because this one is going to take a time and is going to be a little bit just a little bit difficult. Like you have to put in extra energy to pull in the crochet needle and also pull it out. Now for the third part, you slide the needle under the wig cap and make sure the latch is opened. Then you hook the hair onto the needle and you close the latch. Make sure it's locked. Then you pull the hair out to form a loop. Yes, this is the loop and you twist it. I twist mine twice and pull the tail end into the loop and you make sure you tighten it. I like to tighten my own to secure the hair very well. During the process again, I slid the needle under the wig cap and make sure the latch is opened. I hook the hair onto the needle and close the latch. Then I pull the hair to form a loop. Then I twist the loop twice and pull the tail ends into the loop and make sure it's tightened, really tightened. to secure the hair on the wig cap. So this is how it turned out. This is how our wig turned out, and I'm loving it. Then putting it on my hair to trim it, because what I want to achieve is a fringe full Bohemian coils. I don't know what name to call it, but I just want something fringy. So I'll be cutting in using my scissors, trimming the front part to give me that fringe bob, and I'll be trimming the sides also. You can style it in any way you want to style it. You can do it a center pattern, side pattern, half fringe, whatever way you want to style it. But in this wig, this particular one, I want a fringe full coils. So just be trimming unnecessary places that I felt was going to come out great for me. As you can see, I'm trimming the end parts of both sides of the hair. To make my coils have more volume, I'll be using my hairbrush to brush out the coils. This helps it look more full and have more volume. This is what I want to achieve for my own kind of wig, but if you don't want it like this, you can just leave it as it was instead of combing out the coils. So at this point, I'm going to go off camera to adjust the hair and cut out the excess unnecessary places that needs to be cut off. And yes, I'm back. So this is the final look. This is what I achieved. This is how I want my wig to come out. You free to style your own different ways that you want to style it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up and comment down below.